Today is April 8th and I'm at Beach Bend Raceway and I'm about to do my first ever test and tune drag pull in my Prius. And hopefully everything goes down well. As long as I don't run faster than a 13, I don't have to put a helmet on. But my goal is to run faster than an 18 today. So I think I'm going to be mostly good. I'll do some filming. Hopefully we'll see some really good drag passes. But yeah, just going to be a regular vlog today. And hopefully we set an all new personal best for a Prius. If I run faster than a 1750, this will be the fastest 2010 Toyota Prius. number 12 is a 17.624 at 77 miles an hour. 77.5 miles an hour, which is not the fastest I've gone down at mile per hour. Fastest mile per hour was my second run at 77.76 miles, and my slowest mile per hour and slowest time was my first run, and that was 76 miles an hour, 76.88 miles an hour, and that was an 18-second run. I'm gonna go and see why I can't stage with my parking brake. Oh, I need to air up my rear tires even more. Just saw a guy beside me airing down his rear tires, because he's in a rear-wheel drive vehicle. Okay, this is brake all the way depressed. Yeah, and I pushed through it. Darn it. It'd be so convenient if I could use my emergency brake. But yeah, I can't. So I'm now going to go and air up my tires. So I've improved on every pass. I think my plan was only to do 3 passes. I'm going to do one more pass. And if I'm not to the speed that I intend to be at, like if I don't improve, then I'm not going to run again. I slowed down, but I guess that's how that goes. It was fun, it was real, and it was real fun. But I think I'm done racing a 17-second car. I think I gotta move up to something a little more spicy. Yeah. Could add air back into my tires since I'm not spinning them in the front. And maybe get a little more mile per hour since I was down a little on mile per hour that time. But I think that run, that past couple 2 hours was well spent. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one, where hopefully we're doing something a little more dramatic than drag racing a Prius. And here's a little B-roll of the time slips and some cars I saw. So this is my second drag pass, and it was better at 17.8 seconds compared to my first pass, which was on 18.02. But I had a better reaction time the first time around. And this time around, my reaction time was 0.06. So I'm going to have to look at this a little bit longer. I'm going to take one more pass, and then I'm going to be done for the day. But yeah, I'm excited. This little ripper, a little Prius, made an improvement off of just launching it harder. That run was a 1762 at 77 miles an hour. in a 2010 Toyota Prius. That is almost as fast as the fastest 2010 Toyota Prius. This is all of the timesheets side by side, first to last. And if you noticed, all about the same mile per hour, 77, and all within just fractions of each other. So yeah, that was a good day of racing. It was really fun. And if you can't tell, all of the times were back to back pretty much. From 11:30 to 12:30, I got 4 runs in, so that was nice and quick.